Well, welcome to Dominelli Ford. My name is Mark, and you're probably already familiar with the next generation Ford Ranger, but are you aware of all of the ARB accessories that are available for this vehicle? Today, in this walk around, we're going to take you through some of those accessories as we take a look at this XLT V6. Well, up front is where all of the action is, and we'll start here with this color-coded Summit steel Bullbar, offering full protection to the front of the vehicle, including your grille and your lights. Mounted to this Summit steel Bullbar are ARB's Intensity Solace flood and spotlights, giving you incredible vision at night. The Intensity Solace lights are controlled from a remote module located inside the vehicle. Included, also hidden neatly away into this Bullbar, is Warn's Evo 10S synthetic winch, and it's handily hidden away under the lift-up license plate. We've also got rated recovery points. These are rated to 8 tons to help you help others get out of trouble. And also included under here is ARB's under vehicle protection, offering you protection to the most vulnerable parts of your vehicle. So mounted to the Summit steel Bullbar are the Summit side rails, offering you protection to the vehicle. These transition down into the side steps that give you easy access. Whilst the Ranger has got an excellent wading depth of 800 millimeters, the Safari Snorkel increases that capability for off-roading. This is ARB's top spec Ascent Canopy. Color-coded to the vehicle, this is fully connected to the central locking. And it's got these handy pop switches here, which allow you to release these side windows so that you can access something from the front of your tub without having to go around to the back. That push button functionality extends to the rear of the canopy as well, and with a simple button push you can open the rear window on the canopy. Once you've opened the tailgate, you've then got access to almost double the weather protected space that you would get with the standard tub. Also included in the Ascent Canopy is the lighting. For additional storage, this Ascent Canopy is also fitted with ARB's Baserack that allows you to carry more of your adventure equipment. For ultimate off-road capability, this XLT is fitted with ARB's Old Man Emu 2-inch lift kit. So the benefit of speccing these ARB accessories from new is that you will receive Ford's full 5 years manufacturer's warranty. So come and chat to us in the dealership and let us help you spec up your next generation Ford Ranger with all the ARB accessories you need for your ultimate off-road adventure.